I had read about the high incidence of Indigenous incarceration long before I ever went to the law school. And it really irritated me. That was a running sore. And I was determined that they should never go to jail.
Graduate deficit is something that I know it's at the forefront of UNSW's mind. I know not only do they want to make sure they get kids into the course, they really want to, they're working hard to make sure they graduate, and there's a whole group of people working out, well, how do we, once they're out, how do we try and set them on a pathway?
I always talk about going to university and getting that piece of paper and the opportunities and the doors that can open for you.
I still to this day remember Professor Paul Redmond, who was the Dean of the law school, saying that he wanted all of us Indigenous law students to feel the warm breath of him and the faculty behind us to kind of really push us forward, and it was something that you felt from the top of the law school down.
I think it makes sense that a lot of Aboriginal women, you know, looking around our community and going, well, you know, how can I make a difference and how can I learn the rules of the system, you know, and that's the current, you know, law that is the whitefellas law, and it makes sense to come and learn that.
We need to redesign the system, we need to divert our people from the justice system, and we need to have greater emphasis on the rehabilitation of our mob.
I feel really lucky because I was the first person in our family to get the opportunity to go to university. And it really was the most positive experience of my life.